We are pleased to show you the 2020 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.